Hi everyone, it's Yulia, and today I'm going to tell you about absolutely exciting feature that we recently dropped on Digital Original, and it's Phygital. So if you AI artist, NFT creator, digital artist that wants to start selling their digital pieces together with a physical one, that's update exactly for you. So the first step to do is, as usual, sign in inside your account or create it on digitaloriginal.app. As soon as you will have an access to your dashboard, first step to do to go to the section artworks and upload your original digital file. As soon as you will create an artwork profile, fill up all the necessary information, save as with digital native. Fill up the artwork price, the artwork name, choose between different formats, and at this step, Phygital art, click yes. In this section, we highly recommend you to put all the necessary information about your physical object. What size is going to be, where you can ship it, and what materials is it created. As soon as you fill up all the necessary information about your Phygital object, you will have this beautiful sign Phygital on your storefront. From this moment, every collector that will visit your storefront will know that you're selling this digital piece together with a physical object. They can read about all the necessary details about physical objects, learn more about the concept of Phygital, and discover the shipment rules. The very important notice is that Digital Original as a company are not responsible for any shipment processes. As soon as collector purchase your artwork directly from your store, they will have an opportunity to also send you a request to claim physical part. At this moment, you will have an access to contact information about your collector. In this moment, your collector will also sign a special part of the contract in their crypto wallets. From inside the art management system, it will look like this. You will have the Phygital artwork claim inside your IMS system with all necessary information about collector. And at this moment, you can directly connect to them to discuss all the processes of shipment, where to send, on which conditions. And that's how easy, just in few steps and clicks, you can create extended value to your digital pieces. From now on, all of your collectors can have an option to also own a Phygital object together with a digital original piece. Click the link to digitaloriginal.app, create your account or sign in existing one, and offer your collector a new opportunity.